Whether you're starting your own clothing brand, or you have your own fashion store, or if you're just a regular shopper, you don't want to miss out on this Guangzhou wholesale market for clothes. The Guangzhou shopping experience is really on another level. Believe me, your favorite clothing brands definitely don't want you to see the variety of styles and the incredibly affordable prices here. It feels like Black Friday all year round, and this is just one of the many clothing markets in China. Today I'm taking you on a walking tour inside Guangzhou's best wholesale market for men's and women's fashion. It's perfect for sourcing, finding fashion inspiration, or even filming scenes for your next China vlog. Most wholesalers here also sell single pieces, so you can come as a regular shopper just as easily as a brand owner or retailer. If your China travel itinerary includes southern China, then you definitely should visit Guangzhou for a fashion shopping spree. It's about 30 minutes from Shenzhen and 1 hour from Hong Kong by high-speed rail train. It looks really like you're just shopping at a high-end mall. The things I've seen look trendy and very, very promising, honestly. You don't have to design your own stuff to start a brand, and that's something most people probably don't really realize. But when you come to China, you will see the opportunities. You know, these stores, these designs are what are trendy. It's like what the people want. You know, you can slap your own logo on top of it. It's very easy, actually. Wholesale market is really amazing. You have so many different styles of fashion. You can definitely see the Japanese fashion influences, the Korean fashion influences. You can just really come here to get inspired. The way the shops present themselves, it's really next level. All the displays, all the visuals, everything is on point. So Guangzhou is really a fashion powerhouse. You have so many wholesale markets, it's crazy. And when it comes to production, there are usually, I would say, 3 ways. One is ODM, it stands for Original Design Manufacturing. And that means the manufacturer already has designed the clothes, has done everything. You basically buy the clothes from them and then you customize them, put your own logo on top of it, and you move on from there. And that's why I'm showing the wholesale market today, because here there are so many items that you could just buy and customize and do your own thing with it. Another approach is OEM, which stands for Original Equipment Manufacturing, and that basically means that you bring your own design and you're going to produce this product with the factory from scratch. And this is more expensive. So if you're beginning and your budget is lower, instead of buying the basic blanks, you could also just come here and find really, really nice items that you can customize. And the prices are really, really good. So okay, I'm done for today. I've seen enough. Interesting market for sure. The only thing that I don't really like is that you don't know what is really original and what is not. So you can ask them, but sometimes they don't even know. I was wearing even my shoes. I seen a copy of my shoes and this guy is telling me, yeah, it's original. No, it's not. Man, China really went crazy on the presentation. Everything looks really nice. And after a long day of sourcing, you can just sit outside, have a nice drink, have a nice meal, all affordable. So what else can you ask for, really? But yeah, it's time to go. Time to go home. I have a lot of things to do. Just come to these malls and get inspired, basically. Maybe you buy a piece and start customizing that. So it has multiple purposes, honestly. And just everything is nice. Presentation is nice. Honestly, it looks better than malls in Europe. Let's be honest. The presentation is top level.